Welcome to the channel. In this video, we are going to talk about how to drain and flush hot water tank to remove sediments. Before we get further into the video, I will request that you follow all the steps and instructions with safety and caution. As the steps we're gonna perform today involves electricity, gas, and water, so you have to be careful. Now, the question comes is, where do the sediments come from in hot water tank, and why do we need to flush them? All the water supplied by your municipality contains minerals like iron, zinc, copper, etc., which with time settles at the bottom of your heating tank and starts to build up. This reduces the efficiency of your hot water tank, as boiler at the bottom will be covered with sediments and block the hot surface or electric rods to heat water. So this is the reason why we should clear the sediments on timely manner. Minimum recommendation to clean or flush your sediments in hot water tank is every 1 year. But for the best results and to prolong the hot water tank life, every 6 months will do the magic. Now, to disconnect is the first step for your hot water tank. So if you got electrical hot water tank, you will need to shut it off from your electrical panel breaker. Or if you got gas hot water tank, then you will need to shut off the gas and plug it out of the power socket. Once your hot water tank is disconnected, step 2 is to turn off your cold water supply. Keep in mind that the water inside the hot water tank might still be hot, so you have to be cautious while draining the hot water from the tank. So once your cold supply is off, then you can run your washroom faucet to hot so that the pressure is released. Now connect hose to your drain valve on the bottom of your hot water tank. Now put the second end of your hose on the floor drain so that when you open your hot water tank drain valve, all the water directly goes into the drain. Once it's all set to go, you can open drain valve on your hot water tank to drain the water. So just use a simple flathead screwdriver and open the valve. It may take about 30 minutes to empty your hot water tank. Once it's empty, then you can perform the flush. Now to flush your hot water tank, you have to turn on your cold water supply for 20 seconds and then shut it off. This will lift off the sediments that is at the bottom of your hot water tank. And then you need to drain the water from the drain valve at the bottom, and then you have to repeat this 4 to 5 times until the water that is draining it gets clear of sediments. Now once you remove the flush step 3-4 times and the water is clear of sediments, then you need to make sure that the drain valve here is properly shut off, and then you can remove your drain hose. And now once your drain hose is removed and drain valve is tightened, then you can turn on the cold water supply, and then you can power on your hot water tank. Once your hot water tank is refilled, make sure to turn on your gas and plug in your hot water tank. If you have electrical hot water tank, then just turn on the breaker. Once cold supply is on and your hot water is good to go and you plugged in, then just put your faucet to hot and turn it on so that the circulation of hot water is complete. Thanks for watching, and if you like the video, please subscribe to the channel. I post video every week related to house maintenance and common house issues. Thank you.